everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Zara. You can call me Z. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share just to join the Z's family. And if you're old here, thanks so much for being here with me all the time. I really appreciate the love. Yeah, I really do. Thank you so much. So without wasting much time, in today's video I'm so much excited because somebody surprised me with a ring light. Yeah, somebody surprised me with a ring light, and I just want to unbox it with you guys. Okay, so I traveled and I went to a different city, and when I came back to my city, somebody has actually surprised me with this ring light. Let me use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to the person. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the love. You said I shouldn't mention your name on the channel, yes, but thank you so much. I'm so much grateful. I love it. And yeah, so let's get right into it. Let's unbox it. Let's see whatever thing is inside this box, and let's see if we can fix it. Okay, yeah, so it came like that. I don't know if you all can see. Yeah, it came like that with the, is it a tripod or the stand? I don't know. Yep. So let's see. Okay, I thought it was actually in the box like that, but it's in a bag. And let's see. Oh, okay. There's the lights. I don't know why I'm happy, because guys, I was thinking of how to get one. Okay, I actually called my dad and I told him, Dad, I want a ring light. Yeah, actually. And thank you. Okay, I'm happy. Wow, it came with a remote. Okay, let's see. With no battery. I need to get a battery. Okay, so yeah. Why can't I? Oh, okay. So there's the on, there's the off. I think that's all. Yeah. And let's see what again. Adapter. Okay, this is the adapter, and it came with this as well. I don't know what this. Oh, okay. Yeah, so I think we fixed this inside this one, I guess. Not too sure. Oh, okay, yeah. Can you guys see? We fix this inside this. So it's 3. Okay. Another one. Where's the other one? Get another one here. I'm so happy. I have a ring light now. So I'm going to do more videos for you guys. Trust me. Okay. So what next? Okay. What is this? Oh, okay. There's also 3. 1, 2, 3 as well. So I think, hey, is it like this? I don't know if it's like this though. Oh, okay, yeah, it's actually like this. And okay. Oh, okay. Let's see this one. Okay, good. Hey, no, Good. Okay. Okay. So I think this is 18 inches. I'm not too sure because it didn't come with a manual and I didn't buy it myself too, so I don't know, unless maybe I asked the person, but I think it's 18 inches. Yeah. Okay, so there we go. Now let's see if we can fix it. It came with I told you about it earlier on. I don't know if it's the dry stand or whatever they call it. Yep, it came like this. So let's see. Wow. I don't know if... Okay. I honestly don't know how to fix this thing. Okay. I think then the way I'm suffering over here, I don't know if I'm actually doing the right thing, but yep, let's see. Oh, okay. I did it. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing now. Trust me. Okay, let's see over here. Let's see if there. Okay. First. Hey, see you. Go from this thing. You think it's here. Let me see. Let me show you. Guys, I can't fix that thing. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing or I'm just... The thing too has no manual. It didn't come with a manual for me to check if for me to actually learn how to do the thing, because I can't do it myself. I've never done that. I've never done this before, and I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. Maybe it's like this. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. Okay. I think it's working. Hey, Jesus Christ. Okay. So I don't know why I can't make it stand, because it's not supposed to be like this. That's what I think, but I don't know if I'm actually doing the right thing, or maybe I'm the one not getting it. I don't know. Trust me. I don't know. This one is working, so why it's not working? This is fine, but to make it stand, no. Okay, let me take the ring light off. Okay, guys, I think that would help me. I take the ring light off, and then I see now. Let's see if we can fix the stand, or I don't know how you people call it. Okay, good. Okay, yeah, better now. Now, I think you can lock it here. Okay. Okay, now it's locked. Okay, good. Now let's fix the light itself. I think they said it's gonna go in like this. Okay, and then fixed now. Okay, come over here. Let's put it down. Let's see. Okay, can you guys see now? Yeah, I think it's okay. Guys, a minute, I need to get a knife to make this thing very fixed. I don't know. Yeah, so I think Guys, did you see that? I think I need someone to help me, because if not, okay. I think it's a little bit okay now. Okay. Nice. So I think I fixed it. Now let's see. Okay, so it's, I think it's here. Oh, just that. Okay. Let me push it here so that you guys can see, okay? Can you see, okay? I have no battery in the remote, but then I've seen some on and off and it, but oh, okay. Can you see that? That's so cute. Oh, I have a ring light now. Okay, let's see. Can you guys see that? It's so nice. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so much excited. Like, I'm so excited. Can you see that? Okay. So guys, this, I think I will get a battery and I'll start using the remote. So thanks for watching. As I said earlier on, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And yeah, see you in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.